Well, I'm Kayla Caliboso. I am from Mililani. I went to Mililani High School. I am hoping to become an optometrist in the future, so that's what my career goal is.
Hi, my name is Janelle JJ Nanquil, and I'm actually not from here. I'm an Army brat, so I moved around a lot. But I went to high school in Germany, Ansbach High School, and it was pretty cool. So my career goal right now is that I honestly want to be a professor at any university. Yeah, it's pretty cool because I really want to be like that smart guy, but like down to earth, but and funny. Yeah.
Well, so I guess to get to the meat of it, we're basically studying the bacteria found in the digestive tract of both feral and commercial chickens, and we're trying to get an idea of what's present there.
Well, so for the feral chickens, we found a high percentage of bacteroides, which is it's a certain bacteria which is it's beneficial for the chickens, and it's they probably have a high well, they have a high amount of bacteroides because of their irregular diet. So because they're able to just eat anything off the street or wherever they can, they're able to digest that. So we're thinking that it's probably because of the bacteroides, the amount of bacteroides is in their gut that's for them to able to eat all those foods.
And then we also noticed that within our feral samples, we noticed a lot of diversity between each chicken. So we had 7 different chickens, and not all of them are exactly the same to each other. And we also noticed that our commercial samples, they're more similar to each other as well. So unlike our feral samples. And between feral and commercial, they're also pretty different together too.
For research purposes, in the future, we could probably see like maybe what bacteria could be beneficial or non-beneficial for any chicken use, so that maybe you can give them, any antibiotics so that they can live longer or produce more eggs or anything like that.
And then
Yeah.
we also have an idea of what bacteria are present in the gut microbiota in general. And we're also trying to, I guess, or it's important because your gut microbiota plays a really big role in food safety, your immune system, the way you absorb your nutrients, and your development. And so we're just trying to get a better feel for that. For me, I mean, it just seemed like a really good experience to get hands-on research and get to work in a lab. For lab classes in Leeward or anywhere, basically, you get to spend some time in the lab, but you don't get to know everything so in depth, and you don't get to practice over and over. You kind of just sit once and done. But here you get one-on-one time with your mentor, and you just get to know everything so in depth.
I'm happy that I was into this program because one thing I actually have to I can make a difference here too. I can learn more, especially even like in the beginning of this program, I really didn't know anything. I couldn't even read the scientific journals. It's English, but I can't understand it. So being here really like expanded my knowledge for any science, any lab base, and it's pretty cool honestly because they don't teach you this in a classroom, or like you just follow a lab instructions and that's it. For us, they just, hey, this is your project and you just do it, and yeah, that's what I love about it.